everyone, myself Yoshika and welcome back again to yet another video where I'm going to tell you about the forest developer, the Aurum. Well, this is in the sector 59. This is last land parcel here in the region. We are very well connected with the main golf course road. This location connects you as well with the golf course extension road. So before I tell you about the project, let me tell you the connectivity of the region. 5 minutes drive from golf course road, 5 minutes drive to the world mark, 25 minutes drive to IGI airport, 10 minute drive from this location to Artemis hospital, and the 10 minutes drive to the Medanta hospital. These are the things which are nearby surrounding from this location. Now I will represent you a project which is in the lap of the nature. This is none other than Forest Aurum. This company, they are the landscaper of the DLF camellias also. You will witness something drastic. This is going to give you a lifetime experience. So finally, this is the time has arrived. This is the architectural model that I'm showcasing you at the Forest Aurum. This is approximate 10.5 acres of land. We have got the phase 1 in the cluster. Phase 2 would be nearing in something from and that's going to phase 3. This is an elevated G+42 wherein you have approximately 240 apartments. Clubhouse size is going to be somewhere 70,000 which is indoor and 30,000 square feet which is outdoor. You have got penthouses on all the top floors. That you see may be the simplex one. If I'm talking about a 3 BHK sizes out here varying between 2400 to 3500, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK. You have got 2 typologies in 3 BHK and 2 typologies in 4 BHK. Last but not the least, you have seen space for the table tennis, you have got the kids area, you have got the swimming pool. This is a lagoon swimming pool all around out here. So when you talk about the architecture, the Hafiz contractor, that is going to be the architecture to the project. This is the uber luxurious residences that you see. This is all going to give you an unobstructed view, unhindered view of the Aravallis in the lap of nature. So finally you have a question, why this project for us Aurum? I will tell you a specific reason. Mostly this place it is connected with the IT space, IT cyber hub. Then you have advantage of developers investing in the specific region of North India. This location itself will boom. You're getting at the stage at something throwaway price. You probably do not have to think twice before you invest at this project at the right time. You will come to the conclusion where yes, you have purchased it something right. This is one of the fantabulous buying of sector 59. Before I end it, let's move towards the sample. And if you like my video and if you're interested in this project and you wanted to visit, call me on the number showing on your screen. So tata, bye bye, and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.